Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and today we're picking this really big, and it is a pretty big monoblock shutter lock. You can see here, if I get line that up, that is about not quite 85 millimeters across. It's really chunky. What is that in inches anyway? Just around 3.5 inches by a good inch and a quarter. So it's a really thick, big, heavy padlock. I don't know what it's made of. I don't think it's hardened steel. I've got this. Well, no, it's some kind of steel, I guess. Strong magnet sticks to it. I thought it might be brass because you can see some like copper colouring, but that could just be some kind of like coating on the steel to allow this plating on top. I don't really know. So yeah, so it's a big old Tessi monoblock padlock. Let's just lock it. There you go. Open it back up. Works fine. Hardened steel. Quite a big meaty shackle there. Obviously, looking at the kind of high sort of physical security against physical attacks. But let's have a look at what it's like for pick resistance. To do that, I'm going to go grab a vise, throw it in there, try and get a nice angle for you, and then have a go picking it. Okay, so we're in the vise. I say in the vise is a bit wobbly, but we'll cope. This keyway is horrible as well, just really gritty and old. There we go. You hear that? Oh, graunchy, horrible. There is the bitting. Got 6 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 5 are quite low cut, protecting a high cut pin 6, which is, you know, quite reasonable. We will need a lot of tension in this lock though, and even getting sort of that core turned to provide tension can be a bit of a pig. You don't want to bind the edge of the lock either. So there we go. Right, and this is a flat flag which has been heavily modified from the Honest Dong Shi set, so I'm just going to go in with that. Nothing on 1. 2's binding. 3's binding. I think we got it. 4, nothing. 5 binding. 6 binding. There you go. 5, 4, 3. Anything on 1? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 has jumped up again. It looks like. Got 6, I think. Okay. 5 again. Is that pin 3? Okay, well, I'll set pin 3 then. I thought to set pin 3, but obviously not. There we go, I think I got it. 4's binding very heavily. Think that's got it, I think. So I feel like something isn't fully set. So, I think that's 1. And is that? Yeah, I got it. Oh, look, see how, look, I can pick the whole thing up, but it's not turning. You got to sort of like be really careful and turn the whole thing sort of at the same time. Something a bit sort of seized up in there. I have to really lubricate it, but there we go. We've got it open. Yeah, just a horrible lock to pick. This it really is. Just really nasty. I think just because of its age and use, and probably low quality insides. So there you go. That was this massive Tessi monoblock shutter lock picked. it's okay. All standard pins inside. Couldn't feel any counter rotation or anything like that. I suppose from a physical security standpoint, it's all right, but it just feels very poor quality. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.